The overall goal of this experiment is to use reflected microwave power to measure the recombination dynamics of photo-induced charge carriers in thin-film photovoltaic materials.
This method is useful in the field of photovoltaics because it measures photo-induced charge carrier decay via trap states and band-to-band recombination processes. The main advantage of this technique is that it doesn't require electrical contacts to the sample. This means that the measured lifetimes and conductivities are not distorted by the presence of cathodes.
First, gather some of the necessary elements to perform the measurements, including a prepared measurement sample. This thin-film perovskite sample has been characterized and its wavelengths of interest chosen. In addition to the sample, have ready a microwave cavity, network analyzer, and laser. The sample will be mounted in this custom microwave cavity, which is made of 4 quarter-wave plates screwed together. An iris couples microwaves into the cavity, and a fiber port on the microwave short allows optical access. A Teflon sample holder slots into the cavity. A diffuser ensures that the incident light is spatially uniform, while a tuning screw modifies the cavity quality factor. The laser is tunable over visible to infrared wavelengths. Required smaller optical elements include an off-axis parabolic mirror coupler and neutral density filters. With the laser wavelength at the desired value, direct its beam to an off-axis coupler. Use a beam card to check the alignment with the optical axis of the mirror. The spot should enter the coupler approximately at its center.